am back with another video. Today's pretty much the next day of everything that we were doing yesterday. I'm wearing comfortable but yet, trendy clothes. I got my fanny pack on today because, I just noticed a couple things yesterday. Don't mind my closet back there. I'm still in the process of trying to get a drape for it. But yeah, don't pay attention to that, okay? But yeah. So I'm still in the process of learning things as I go. And I was noticing that I was struggling with a lot of things yesterday. And just from a learning experience, I'm noticing what I should be doing differently. So I brought my fanny pack. So then when I'm heading to go drop off the things at people's houses, instead of scrambling to hold my keys and my phone, I could just slip them in my bag here, my little fanny pack, and then go drop off their food. And then that way I can hold it a little bit easier without dropping my stuff or feeling like I'm about to drop my stuff. So today was the start of the Spark app. They're already offering a bunch of promotions and things like that. So I'm about to get started and head on out. It's already like 10 o'clock. So I'm getting out here later than I wanted to, but I was also editing this morning. So that's another thing that really took up my time, because right now I'm just trying to be an overall boss and, really just utilize my time in doing things that make me happy. And DoorDash and Uber and stuff like that are just ways to give me income without having to do anything under a boss, and really just moving at my own pace. But yeah, so I feel like I'm ready. Maybe if all goes well, I might treat myself to go to the park and take some pictures. But yeah, I'm going to try to make as much money as possible today and do as much as I can. Walmart's already saying if you do the 5 dashes and stuff like that, you can already get like an incentive for it. So definitely going to try to do as much of that as I possibly can. So yeah, guys, without further ado, I don't want to do too much talking. Let's just get to Ubering, dashing, and sparking. All right, I'll catch y'all later. Bye. Hey guys, I have to be freaking really quick because I just got my first Spark. So everything worked out perfectly too, because I went and did 2 Uber Eats deliveries out in my area. And after doing those 2, I ended up, coming to deliver food. And next thing you know, the Spark Drive app, it literally found me a location. This thing is worth $20, guys. So I'm gonna hurry up and go over there because I'm excited. And I'm gonna take this $20 and we're gonna see what we can do from here, guys. All right, I'm excited. Let's go. Bye. Hey guys, I am a little bit pissed off because I spent like 10, almost 15 minutes trying to get over here to this Walmart to do Spark, which was my first ever Spark. And then I had a person cancel their fucking order. Like, that is literally irritating as fuck. So I reached out to Walmart and asked for some sort of compensation. I did see that they gave me like a $2 incentive thing or like fee thingy. But I don't know, I'm just pissed. Like, I wanted more than just that. So I don't know, now I'm just sitting here in the Walmart parking lot hoping that I get another one, and hopefully this time I'll be closer. So when the customer puts in their order, I'm just right here and ready to get started for them. So that's a bummer, but we'll see what happens the next time around. Hey guys, so I'm back home for a little bit on like a little break / lunch / right? I think I'm just taking this time to kind of like regroup, kind of figure out what's going on with the apps, because they have not been booming today. Like yesterday was booming way more than it is today. It's awful today. So I'm gonna have no choice but to go out tonight, late at night, because I'm sure that then, I'm gonna get people trying to put in orders and stuff like that. So I have no choice but to go out tonight. I'm just gonna, bring my jacket, probably change my shoes, and all that other jazz. But other than that, yeah, that's what I'm doing. I went to Walmart earlier and I was getting some, like items and stuff for myself. And then I actually got a Spark, and I was able to actually do this one because I was literally at the Walmart that they wanted me to do it for. Hang on, I'm just now getting a... Sorry, guys. So I ended up getting another Spark, and it's for the Walmart on the west side. So I accepted it because this one's like $22. One of the orders is huge. It's like one order's 89 items. I'm like, what the fuck? But like all of them seem to be in pretty close proximity, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab that one and do that one. So yeah, wish me luck. I think I'm gonna go get myself an iced coffee really quick. Well, I may not have enough time for that. I'm probably just gonna go fill up my water bottle and then head back out and try to get there on time. That way I don't end up late. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna do that, and I shall be back when later on comes. But yeah, today's been very, very slow. I'm hoping that because my orders have been bigger with money, that things kind of are a little bit better. So let's hope that by the end of today, we have at least $100 to $140. So then we can accomplish a goal, okay? But anyway, guys, I will see you guys in a few after I finish this Walmart order, and hopefully all goes well with this whole process, and I'm able to get this done because my battery is very low on percentage. So I've got to go so then I can charge a little, okay? All right, guys, bye. All right, guys, so it's been a minute since I've gotten on here and things, and I just kind of wanted to give you guys an update before the guy comes and loads up my car with the second order. So I've been mainly doing Spark Drive the whole time, and Spark does, you know, do really big, huge orders. But the one thing that I hate is that it takes a very, very long time. Like the amount of time that it takes with Spark, I feel like I've been missing opportunities with Uber, because usually when I'm in my area, I receive a lot more Ubers. Sorry, I keep looking around because I don't want the guy to hear me or whatever, but it takes them forever to load your car. And it's frustrating because if I'm trying to capitalize off of this and do $100 a day, and I'm waiting fucking 20-40 minutes for you guys to actually come to my car, that is a problem, you know, because I'm waiting all this time to catch the fucking dashes and catch the fucking deals, but you guys are taking this amount of time, like the amount of time that I'm spending over here waiting on you guys to load my car. Like, I had 2 orders for Spark, but instead of them loading my car all at once, I had to have them pretty much sit here and wait for about 5 to 10 minutes for them to bring me the first order, and then it took me about 5 to 10 minutes again for them to bring me the next order, because instead of them bringing me the order all at once, they decided to wait it out and bring the second order, like wait their sweet time to bring the second order. And like, I want to be closer to home. My battery's already at like 20-something%, and I have 2 orders to do, not to mention one is kind of a bigger one. I'm out here by myself, so I'm like, it would be nice to kind of hurry the process up so then I can do these and then get back to home. Like, I'm glad that luckily this time I'm a little bit more prepared than I was before. I've got my brother's pepper spray, and I've got a rusty ass box cutter, but at the end of the day, it's a box cutter, so that's the only thing saving me right now. I think the guy is coming to load my car up, so yeah, but this is really frustrating because I feel like I haven't been able to really capitalize because of that today. But I just wanted to update you guys. But nonetheless, I did get 4 of the Spark drives today. And I think that the goal is to get 5, and then you can get the $50 incentive. So I was very close to getting it. But I think that after this order, I just kind of want to stick within my proximity, like everything on the east side, because everything on the east side is like literally 5 minutes apart, the most that you're going to drive with the east side is like 10 minutes, you know, nothing too freaking crazy. So I'm like, I think I want to just stick over there if I do still continue to dash. And I might only just take Uber orders because this shit right here with the Spark is just crazy. All right, I'm gonna go. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye. All right, guys, I am finally back home. So let me give y'all the little bit of tea or whatever, and try to catch y'all up with everything. So I'm gonna pretty much have my full earnings for the day and all of that. And I must say, guys, this social experiment for getting the amount, my goal for the day, mission not accomplished, okay? And here is why I think. I think that I was really sticking to Spark today. And the thing about Spark is that Spark was taking forever, okay? Spark was taking absolutely forever, guys. And I didn't end up getting back home until about 8 o'clock because I had to go, you know, stop to get gas and everything. But I feel like, honestly, Spark took forever. I just feel like when I do Spark orders from now on in the future, I'm going to make sure that, like, I do it maybe close by, or make sure that Spark orders are done at a certain time and that I catch the dashes, because I feel like I was spending most of my time sitting, waiting on Spark orders to be made because the workers were not moving fast enough. And I feel like I was sitting there forever waiting on orders to be done. It got to a point where my last Spark drive, I went and did a Uber drive because I was like, this is fucking ridiculous, you know, because I'm waiting for them to fix everything. I feel like Walmart should do that a little bit differently, the way they set it up. Like, I understand they want to give you time to go and pick up the order, but by the time you're actually there and you clock in that you're there, you're still waiting for them to set up the order so then they can give it to you. And I feel like that's not right. Like, I guess I'm speaking and I'm hoping that maybe Walmart themselves kind of sees this video and kind of comes up with a different system. Maybe they have to hire more workers to go and pick up the items, or just maybe when the item's placed, don't place it for pickup and kind of have drivers do this shit. Because my whole thing is, if you're trying to make this your most, like, if you're trying to make this like lucrative side income, or whether you're trying to make this full-time income for yourself, you're wasting a lot of time sitting there waiting for the order to be prepared. They need to come up with other ways because you're missing out on other opportunities. When I was at one of the local Walmarts that's in my area, one that's a little bit further out than the one that's the most closest to me, it took the person that delivered the order about 10 minutes, 15 minutes to give me the first order. Then he didn't realize that I had a second order, and then it took him another 15 minutes to come out with the second order. So I know that's not a him thing. It's more so a Walmart thing. You know, they shouldn't have even set it up like that. And it's just kind of like they have it all mixed up where like curbside and, you know, Uber, like the Uber and stuff like that is all mixed into one. And I think that's where it gets confusing as well. Maybe they should have different sectors in, you know, Walmart itself. So then that way it's not all mixed into one. Because that was just, that does not work. I almost want to make like a separate video on this and maybe just do this separately. Walmart needs to know about themselves, you know, like they need to know that the stuff that they're doing, that's not freaking right. All right, guys. So, as an overall, adding Spark into my archive for, you know, pretty much delivering and things like that, I feel like Spark really slowed down my progress today because I had like 3 Ubers that was in the vicinity, but I had to wait because I was using Spark. And then I feel like I missed out on a lot of Uber Eats that was in my area. And the thing about Uber Eats that I really thoroughly enjoy is that most of the time when you do an Uber Eats order, the person is going to tip. I've only had probably like 2 people out of the 11 orders that I've had that have not tipped. But with Uber, they're always going to tip. Spark, I feel it's hard because you're getting a lot of orders that's packed into one and the people are not tipping. There are even people in nice areas that have really nice houses. Like there was a person that I dropped off and they had a freaking Tesla and they were in a very nice neighborhood and they had a really big ass nice house and they did not tip. If you are a Uber driver or a delivery driver or something like that and you have some tips, please leave them down below. That way, you know, we can all kind of help each other out, especially if this is something that you do full time. Help us all out in the comments down below, so then that way we kind of know, and then that way we can kind of, you know, share ideas and kind of all win together. You know, my whole thing is I'm always about everyone winning, so definitely share your tips and tricks that you do down below, so then we all can find some success with this. But anyway, guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that this video was something that you guys found interesting, and I hope that you guys really loved using me as the guinea pig to see if this was something that you wanted to do or not. But other than that, guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to follow me on all of my social medias. Please be sure to subscribe. That way you guys are a part of my journey, and make sure you guys are a part of, you know, seeing my channel growing and things. And you guys can be reminded of videos by hitting that notification bell. So make sure you guys hit that notification bell so you guys can be notified of when I upload. And yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. I will see you guys in my next one.